The daiquiri was created by Jennings Cox, an American mining engineer in 1898. It's a simple 3-ingredient cocktail consisting of rum, lime, and sugar. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Today's cocktail is a nice simple one. You can't get any more simple than 3 ingredients, but easy to make, hard to master. If you're a bartender or even a home bartender, you've probably had many a bad daiquiri in your time at bars over the years. Crucially, because it's only 3 ingredients, depending on what rum you use, the consistency of the sugar syrup, how fresh the limes are all going to contribute whether this is going to be a good drink or a bad drink. You don't want to be using really old limes because it's going to taste a bit musty. You're going to want to use as good a good light rum as you can for this drink, because at the end of the day, the flavor of the rum is really going to shine through in this one. Anyway, let's stop flapping the L gums. Let's get making this drink. Grab a cocktail shaker, and we're going to start off with 10 ml of a rich simple syrup, which is 2-to-1 ratio, sugar by water. Then you're going to need 20 ml or 2/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Fresher the better here. And then 2 ounces of a good lightly aged rum. I'm using plantation rum today. Add ice to your shaker, and we're going to give this a nice shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you very much. We're then going to double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. And here we go, folks, the classic daiquiri, no garnish needed on this one. And there you go, folks. Delicious, citrusy, it's light and refreshing. It's not complicated. The rum shines through. A good daiquiri is hard to find. A great daiquiri is delicious though. Cheers, folks. See you on the next one.